Hey there, this is Liz, Head of Product at Builderall, and today I'll be showing you two major updates that we've just had in the platform. First of all, if you're used to using AI, you know that you can actually create full websites with AI in HTML. Now you'll be able to actually host those websites here at Builderall. For that, simply access the Website Builder tool and click on the AI HTML upload option. You can then generate any website that you want with AI. And here is my website that I just generated. And ask AI to give you a file, and that can be an HTML or zip file. You can then download this file and go back to the screen here and choose the HTML or zip file option. Select the file that you just downloaded from the LLM of your choice, and then click on Upload and Analyze. After that, you can choose to either publish or not. I'm going to publish mine. And there it is. My website should be live, just like that. Keep in mind that any type of a configuration, SEO, or even the name of the file will define everything that you see on the live version of your website. And if you refresh the website builder, soon the thumbnail should also appear. You can choose also to duplicate this website. You can connect a domain to it, publish, unpublish, and if you make any alterations to your website with the LLM, you can just click on Change HTML and upload a new file. Now, for our next update, we're also talking about AI, and this one is really exciting personally because you can use AI to generate really nice copies for your emails or websites. And now you'll be able to do that with Builderall. And you can simply click on the option to create with AI. That's also available on the dashboard or by going into the emails, all emails option and clicking on new email. And then in here, you can actually select between a one-time email or a sequence of emails. I'm going to go ahead and create the name of my brand and, of course, my email name, Real Estate by Liz, and I'm offering a service. I can select all of the fields that are required for Mailing Boss, and I want to go with this list right here. And my email is about a newsletter on our newest apartments that are available with our real estate company. And this is going to be a single email, but you can also choose a sequence of emails and define how many emails you want the AI to create for you. And yeah, I can also choose my audience if I want. And this one is for my customers. I can pick a tone, let's say professional, and also word limit count and to use emojis. After that, I can click, oh, I forgot the sender. That's very important. After that, I can click on next and choose from any of our available templates. I'm going to go ahead and select this one and then click on next. Now AI should be doing its magic and finding the right words for the copy of my email. This should make it easier for you to create either a single email or a sequence with the Mailing Boss email marketing tool at Builderall. And there it is. We also plan on update the available template options for you. And yeah, these are our newest updates. I hope you like it, and let's keep on building, builders.